Downloading your account data from WhatsApp is a straightforward process that allows you to access your chat history and other information. Follow these steps to obtain your data. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. This section contains various options related to your account settings. Step 4. Request account info. Within the account menu, look for the option labeled Request Account Info. Tap on it to initiate the process of downloading your account data. Step 5. Download the report. After a short period, you will receive a notification that your account info report is ready. Go back to the Request Account Info section and tap on Download Report to save the data to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from WhatsApp.